The name Alhambra is thought to be derived from the Arabic word qa'lat al-Hamra, which translates to the Red Castle. The architects of the Alhambra were not only artists but also mathematicians. The entire complex reflects a deep understanding of geometry and proportion, with intricate patterns that repeat perfectly and mathematical precision evident in the layout of courtyards, halls and gardens. The palace is also adorned with intricate Islamic calligraphy, showcasing verses from the Quran and poetic inscriptions. What makes this remarkable is the integration of written words as both decorative elements and conveyors of meaning, adding layers of significance to the visual beauty. Want more mind-blowing facts about the world's best attractions? Subscribe to our channel now.